Hello everyone, welcome back to Design Trend Seeker. If you're new around here, my name is Danielle, and today we're going to check out some DIY mirror design ideas. So I've been talking about doing a video like this for the longest time, and I managed to put together 3 videos of DIY mirror designs. So if you have been waiting for this video, get ready because the next couple of days they are going to be coming out, and yeah, I've managed to find some very interesting design ideas and I love them. I love this trend. I think it's remarkable because you can make high-end looking designs as well as more, basic DIY easy projects. So I hope that you guys enjoy today's content. So here someone is trying to make a restoration hardware dupe for a mirror. They have a large mirror here and they are doing the framework in gold. There are a few different techniques that you can use for actually crafting up this type of DIY project yourself. You can have an old, basic thrift store mirror and you can spray paint the edge in gold. Or you can do like them and do your own framing in gold. These types of mirrors are very expensive, so doing it yourself is a great way to save some money, which I'm sure we can all relate to nowadays. So here's another way that someone is doing the same DIY for the restoration hardware. They found this mirror at a thrift store and they are adding some pieces to it, and then they are spray painting it gold. From time to time, you can also find this type of design at Home Goods or HomeSense if you live in Canada, I believe it is. But it's a great way to just kind of, if you DIY it yourself, it's a great way to save some money. So here someone is doing another mirror design. They're doing the infamous tile DIY. So they're doing like a really pretty blue and green color. This looks like it took a long time to do. It's kind of like a cool checker pattern that she's creating. Oh, she did an awesome job. So cool. And that's definitely the type of mirror you have to make yourself because it would be hard to find that unique color within the store. So here someone has a piece of glass and they are spray painting it with mirror paint. I didn't even know that was a thing. Flip it over and paint black. Wow. And that's kind of like a rustic, antique looking mirror that she created with that effect. So then we have the infamous Pinterest inspired mirror. This is the kind of mirror that looks like a window pane. So she has this softwood here. She saw someone make this on TikTok and she was like, I'm going to do that myself. We've all had that feeling. So it looks like she did the woodwork in black, framed it around the mirror pieces. And bam! She did a great job. Her style is very monochromatic, the black and white with the pops of green. Very much my style. So I guess that's her husband or her man, and he's like, yeah. You know how guys are. So then we have a DIY using wine racks. So you know that squiggle line trend of the mirrors? This is basically how you would recreate that. And I think this is a great option if you don't want to do all that wood cutting yourself. Just use the wine rack and add it to the mirror. So she's doing like a really pretty green with this. Oh, Yes, I love it. The aesthetics, girl. That was really pretty. So then we have a drywall mirror frame. Okay, so I did not know that this was a thing until I saw this video. I was like, what a cool technique. It's like a clay mirror. Very cool. Alright guys, so that is it for this video. I hope that you have enjoyed it. If you have, please be sure to give this one a like, subscribe, and I will see you next time.